Hey guys, Chuck's back again. Just picked up this Ledron case. It's actually a switchboard case, if you can see the actual dim rail in there. It's still sealed up, but I've already pulled one apart. Now the reason I've pulled it apart, I've taken the dim rail out. I've taken the two switch rails off. The reason I've taken that like that is I need to fit one of these ZDBeny. It's 125 amp. I'm hoping the 125 amp will be good enough to do the job, and that's going to go in here. Only problem is these two things are in the way, and I'm going to have to seal the back up because they molded them out that way, but it's the only one I could find that would fit this thing. So here goes nothing. Helps turn the power on. Oh no. Alright, let's do this thing. Now I've got an avid watcher of my channel, and his name is Ben. Oops. Just broke the bloody thing. Anyway. Got jammed in there. I've got a couple of them. Thank goodness. But that should just snap off there. Hopefully. Maybe not as snappy as what I wanted it to be. But it'll snap off. I'll have to fill that hole up with a bit of plastic of some description. I'll probably have some somewhere around here. Getting the other side is going to be interesting. Oh, it'll come off. That's good. So that's all out. I don't know whether I can might be able to hot glue something in there to seal that off again, because I don't want any rodents or things coming in. So I'll clean that up and cut off the other one, and that should literally go in on top of there. Then I've got to work out where to place the screws. There's two screws that go into it, either side. And then from there, because it's right back there, I'm going to have two of these holes taken out and fit something like that into it. It would be nicer if I could find something a little bit bigger than a 20mm. I should have asked her for a 20mm. I might have to go and get some. Yeah, anyway, what are you guys doing today? I'm trying to fix something, which I might have to cut the end of that off with a hacksaw and use that on the bottom. It might be a good idea, actually. And that should be able to, just have to make sure I get the right length of the thing put in. Anyway, we'll work on that. So I've quickly cut that off, cut the front two bits off, and it's going to fit into there. Not perfectly, but not too bad either. So that'll be glued in because you've got the roses there. I'll just have to do the other side and we'll be on to it. Let's use a bit of 401 to save a bit of time. Then we might put a bit of glue stick over the top. So, a quick look. Very good stuff, Loctite. Should freeze that, or not freeze, but make it hard pretty quick. Won't move now. Stuck there. Let's do the other one. Probably too much Loctite, but there we go. Two types of Loctite, if you've never heard of them. Loctite 401, the 406. 406 is the clear prism type Loctite. This is just less costly than the 406. They both cost a little bit of money, but they're both worth it. So if you can get hold of it, grab it. Next thing I need to do is I need to find out what the depth of this thing is. So what I use is a vernier. It hasn't got a battery in it. It doesn't really matter, you don't need it. What you need to know is how far down from this lip that is. And it's about there, I'm thinking. Well, yeah, it's about there. So it is 43, about 43 millimeters down. So 43 millimeters down from the top. It'll be a little bit higher than that. So we need to go off that. The other one will be about the same spot. The one about there. Then we have to go to the other side and do the same thing, making sure that we've got the right directions and not tapping it in any way, shape or form, or else you'll stuff up where your readings are. So it's there. Try and use these, I think they're about 25 mil screw-ins. I'm just going to glue them into there, because there's no set. You can buy these from China, but they don't come out with a box, which is disappointing from this company. They look good. We'll find out if they're any good over time. So I've put a small divot in the top using a bigger drill, and then I'm just going to grind in using this, but I'm going to mark it so that I can see where I've got to stop, if I can. That will give me an idea. So now I've got pretty close to it, I can start to look. And I'm getting one more. That should be it. Hopefully. Well, no, we're getting one more. So it's going to be pretty close to each other. That's like it. That's going to fit it. I can use it to screw it in, because it's plastic. Plastic on plastic. I'll screw that in there. And probably need to do that so that I can actually get to the other one next to it and not drill in. Oh. Always a way, isn't it? Threading something is never the easiest thing to do. Maybe I should get someone to design this in Fusion 360 and then I'll use it. Okay. Just bring out the big boys. Big boys toys. Let's get this sorted. Come across it. We go down there, I'll hit that. There we go. That one should be the same. Let me get in. Happy with that. Do on the other side. And bolt the handle. I'm looking forward to cleaning up all these wet plastics. That's good. Good. That doesn't sound good. Anyway, that's about it until I get the thing in.